Like many of you, I absolutely love The Office, and I've spent a good portion of my adult life watching. So much so that it's basically a part of my personality. So today, in honor of my love of The Office, I want to try and make a replica of Ryan Howard's idea, which was really Kelly Kapoor's idea, Woof.com. The general plan of what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a website, and to that website I'm going to allow people to post messages. From there, I'm going to connect to a whole bunch of different social media profiles, phone numbers, text messages, etc. So when you send that one message, it goes out to a whole bunch of different things all at the same time. And then I'm going to give the link to my friends so they can send me woofs. So we'll see how that goes. Let's go! I started off building a basic website where my friends could post messages. Then I needed to make sure it could send text messages and phone calls. In the words of Ryan, it needed to connect to my
home phone, cell phone, email, Facebook, Twitter, and home screen.
Now, I don't have a home phone anymore, but I do have this IP phone, which should do the trick. Home phone, cell phone, and woof.com. So select a person, Ryder Damon, message from Ryder, I guess. Message, Dwight, you. So, if I send it, we should get it momentarily. Oh, okay, here it comes on here. And this is great.
Hello, you have a new woof from Ryder. Dwight, you ignorant slut.
That's great. And it also sends a text message as well. Now that the basics were finished, I needed to make sure I could receive notifications on my computer. For this, I built a desktop application that listens to the remote website. When a new woof comes in, it detects it, displays a notification, opens a new window, speaks the text aloud, and sends it to my printer for good measure. Okay, so I'm finished. Well, I'm not 100% finished. I never hooked in Facebook or Twitter, but I'm as finished as I want to be right now. Let's send myself a woof and see what happens. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, and we'll hit send. It should send. So I should get a phone call shortly. What? It was working 2 seconds ago. This is really speaking volumes to how good of a software engineer I am. Did I even make sure it was running? Okay, first thing. I didn't even make sure it was running on my machine, so I'll do that now. Okay, and send.
You have a new one from Michael Scott.
Hello, you have a new woof from Michael Scott. Dwight, you ignorant slut. Michael Scott. Dwight, you ignorant slut.
This is so great. This is the most useless machine I've ever built, and I love it. I love everything about it. Let's send this to a select group of friends, because honestly, I don't trust everybody. Need your help. 2 people have seen it, so hopefully I should be getting new woofs soon.
You have a new one without Dante. Or
What?
you have a new one from Kevin Nelson. Hey, are you ready?
Oh no, this was a mistake. Who is this? Oh.
Eyes.
What? But I stopped
You
tweeting.
have a new one from Pam. I feel God in this Chili's.
I felt God in this Chili's tonight.
I chose the right people because they're making references to the show.
You have a new one from Door to that Code. I'm Bessie.
Oh no. Oh yeah, okay, they did send it. Oh no, there's a lot.
Hello, you have a new woof from Michael Scott.
You have a new one from Angela. You killed Sprinkles. That's what she said.
This was a mistake. Okay, let's take this down. Call This is hard to do with one hand.
A new wolf from Dwight Schrute. I'm somewhere between a snake and a mongoose.
No, I can't turn it off. No!
What's up in tuna?
No! Overall, I would say this was a day well spent. I got to try some new technologies, I had a lot of fun. I would say I'm the real-life Ryan Howard, but in all honesty, I'm more of a Meredith. Thanks for watching.